Did we make s'mores? How did you do yours, Connor?
I put it with chocolate and I mixed up that. I thought I mixed up that. S'mores.
It's messy, huh, Jackson?
My favorite cookie almost got s'mores. No.
We'll clean it up later, honey. You just eat your s'more.
Okay.
What's it taste like?
Chocolate vanilla.
Is it delicious?
My tastes like strawberry jam.
Like strawberry jam?
Drink.
Without a cage, most divers would never even think of getting into the water with great whites.
Great whites. My thing.
Connor, what sound does the shark make?
Great whites attack from below. If they see your silhouette above them.
Is this the best night ever? Is it the best night ever because there's a show about great whites and you're eating s'mores? Jack, do you like sharks? What do you like about them?
I don't actually like sharks, but I do like sea snakes.
Sea snakes?
That's what I like.
What about you, Connor?
Yummy. How about
Say goodnight.